Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dirty Trucker 08. I am Chris, and I didn't want to leave you guys hanging today, so I'm going to show you a little bit of what's going on. Hey guys, so what's going on is I spent all morning running around buying steel and wheels, nuts and bolts and things. Had a hard time getting a hold of a few parts, but I'm going to try and get my hands on them this weekend so that next week I can finally show you what the project we're working on is. But what I have here in front of me, this is the hoverboard in all of its pieces. But the really cool stuff that we're going to be working on, I'll give you just a taste. Just a taste. So just the little bit that I'm going to show you today, because it's coming, is right here. And that's it. That's all you get today. I've given you some hints, and if you guys have any guesses on what it is, comment below. Otherwise, I will see you next week, and we're gonna get to putting this thing together. Should be cool. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to take a look around, and I'll see y'all next time. Later.